Rancher, South Jersey, Winslow Township. I got it here for you. Let's check it out. Walk with me. This is 4 Oak Leaf Road, and this is right behind White Cedars development. It's in a beautiful section of Winslow Township, Cedarbrook. And I got a 3-bed, 2 full bath home, ranch, obviously, nice. And it's got 1,800 plus square feet. Tax record's gonna say something a little bit different, like 16 something. But there was an extra sunroom that was added that gives you additional square footage that makes it really, really nice. The cellar has everything buttoned up real nice here. Been a lot of infrastructure upgrades to this property. I'll tell you about those momentarily. But coming in, you got these barn doors, and you could use this as a dining room. You could use it as a family room, whatever you want. Coming this way, it really feels like Florida. And you got the tile, makes it nice and neat and easy to clean up. Got a fireplace. Got windows that overlook the in-ground pool. So who doesn't love an in-ground pool that's already built there for you? And check out these countertops, all granite, beautiful gray cabinetry. It's got the dovetail joints, soft touch, muy bueno. You got the country ceramic sink. Everybody loves that. Beautiful backsplash, the fancy pants vent, and you got a Samsung gas range. Double oven, you got a microwave on top. Of course, stainless steel everything. Got your washer dryer, hot water heater, separate laundry room, good cabinetry, and you got plenty of storage here in a 2-car garage. Electrical box there on the east wall. So walk with me. We're gonna check out the more public exterior spaces now. This is the sunroom that I was talking about earlier. All window clad, absolutely beautiful. It's got heat, so you can enjoy this room all year long. Walk out, got your pool. Got 8-foot deep end, 3.5 foot here in the shallow end. The liner was redone back in 2016, so no worries there for a while. And you got this huge expanse back here, all fenced in. So imagine the privacy for your kids, your pets, and the kind of entertainment value that this has for when you're looking to party out here. So you got a fire pit, got another nice seating area over there. So you have over 8/10 of an acre here. So it's not 1 acre, but pretty close. Fire pit, all fenced. And there's a separate area to the left that's double fenced. So if you wanted to do something separate there, have a dog run or have some other type of situation, you have that ability. But it's absolutely beautiful back here. Big trees, privacy, shade, nice. The pool looks to me to be 18 by 36. It's all in good shape. And you can see that there's more room here on this side. You have this alleyway, you know, perfect for horseshoes, barbecue pit, whatever you wanted to do. And it's got the swing. Who doesn't love that? Let's check out the inside. So just check out the length of this property. This is a long rancher. You can see all the way down to the bathroom area in the distance. That makes it real nice. Tile, bright white. It's got that Florida feel. I just love it. We'll call this one here bedroom number 3. This is bedroom number 2. And this is the master bedroom. And it's a much bigger room, and it has its own walk-in, roll-in, whatever you needed to do here, shower. This is just awesome. It's got a surround tile all the way around the subway. Beautiful flooring here. I feel like I'm in Florence, Italy. Really nice. And then when you make your way back out, there's another full bathroom here that services the other 2 beds. So you got 3 beds, 2 baths, over 1,800 square foot. The HVAC was installed in 2016, new pool liner in 2016. You have the in-ground pool, beautiful fenced yard, lovely kitchen. Everything is wide open here, big, spacious. It just feels right. Oh, and it's got the swing to boot. Who doesn't love that? You're in Laurel Oaks, one of the top communities in all of Winslow Township. It's in the Cedarbrook section. It's right next to White Cedars, which is a big development. But if you like the more rural, tree-loving atmosphere of the open space that this property provides, this could be the one for you. Gorgeous kitchen, gorgeous sunroom, beautiful layout, beautiful backyard. This property is not going to last. I suggest you make your appointment today.